You work at a pop store. Okay. That's incredible. That's incredible. What's it like working at a pot store? You get free weed all the time. I feel like I could have guessed that you had unlimited supply of weed by your general demeanor, sir. I love you, Justin. That's cool. So you must see some interesting characters. I wouldn't believe no.
It's yours now?
It is with him.
All right, we're getting started with our ice coffee right now. So now give it up for Roy! Roy comes from the Philippines and he's gonna carve this incredibly large block of ice into something beautiful. So whenever you're ready, Roy, get started, get chiseling away. His grandfather was a carver, so was his father, his father's father's father, his father's 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 father before that. And now Roy is an ice carver. So you could say he's a chip off the old block. Oh! Woo! But Roy does many jobs here on board. Crew members on ships have more than one job. So Roy, for example, he's our ice carver. He's also part of our culinary team. So he's the one that's been cooking all that food for you all cruise long. They cook for over 5,000 people each and every single day. It's an incredible amount of stuff that they do. They cook for the crew and the guests. But everyone has different jobs. He's already finished. Give it up for Roy. Give it up for his ice carving. He did that fast, didn't he? Go and
Got a new server.
Could I have coleslaw?
Probably bigger than new server.
Forgot that's why we came. And mac and cheese.
That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello. Take a roll, coleslaw. Coleslaw. Sausage and beef.
Mac
Yes.
and cheese.
A little bit of that, yeah. Dark meat, chicken. No, I'm good. No, I'm good. Dark meat, chicken, yeah. And a little bit of that, yeah.
calm. Well, that wasn't on a ship. We did shots together. And I used to work, this is a story. I used to work in radio, and I was like doing an internship, and I was working at a festival, and I had to record the audio of every person's gig. And she was on stage. I'm not gonna lie, she was awful, like, really bad. But then she came off stage, and we did 6 shots together. And she was like, "Hey, who are you?" And I was like, "Oh, I work for Jazz FM," which is a radio I work for. She's like, "I work for Jazz FM." She's like, "Do you want to do some shots for me, boy?" And I was like, "Yes, ma'am, I do." And then I drank this drink with her. She came back on. She was incredible. Either that or I was just really drunk, but she was amazing. She was like, I was like, "Woo!" It was great. I also met a woman that was part of a different kind of industry.
Should we end it there?
Yes.
Let's end it there. Oh.
Don't ask me how I knew. Are you asking who it was? I don't know the name anymore. What?
Are you gonna say bye or are you just gonna leave?
I'm just getting up. Takes me 10 minutes to get up.
We're gonna stop talking now so that y'all can get on with bingo and hopefully win some money. But thank you so much for joining us and letting me come and speak with you all and Andy together.
Enjoy your night. Bye everybody.
They're so beautiful. Nice dress. Beautiful.
Tell me.
I'm sorry, I cut off for you.
Hello, good evening. Quick thing for like an hour. You have to take like standing an hour.
Oh, what's way over here? Oh, hell yes. Hell yeah, I love this table.
You stay over in that side.
Thank you. We get to sit next to the edge. Okay. Pepper, yeah. That's a duck. That's frog legs.
Thank you. Dear guests, may I have your attention please? Sorry to interrupt your meal and conversation. This is Michael, your assistant maitre d'. Good evening. I said good evening. Welcome back. Hope you had a great day. Well, it's our last evening together. Dear guests, a quick question. Are you enjoying the food with us in the dining room? Well, we have with us a gentleman who's in charge of preparing 15,000 meals a day. I don't know how he does it. Let's give it up for our executive chef, Vital. Dear guests, we are not perfect, but there's a group of individuals whom I would like to thank. They sing for you, they dance for you, they call you by your name, they deliver room service on time. Let's give it up to a hard-working dining room team. Thank you. In continuous effort to exceed your expectation, the company is going to send you a survey. Please fill out the survey, and this is how we recognize our team members. We are sad to tell you goodbye, but we're going to tell you on our way until we meet again. Whatever destination tomorrow, we wish you a safe and a pleasant trip back home. And from all of us to all of you, may God bless you all. Thank you for sailing with us this cruise. Thank you. And as a final farewell, guess what? The girls and boys choir have decided to sing for you. Would you like to hear them sing tonight? Well, it's a farewell song. Joey.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Can you please put out your phone and put it on the flashlight mode? We'll make this dining room shining, shimmering, and splendid.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate
active and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free.
And every ship you go,
We haven't even came to my shows yet. Hello. Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Good enough.
Hello, what you got?
Our fun ship. Oh, have a seat first.
Yeah.
You can choose it. Sangria, fun ship.
What's this one?
This one is fun ship, rum punch. How about yours?
What is this?
That one is sangria sake.
Okay, how about this?
Try something new.
Yeah, they're gonna keep on bringing them all day for the first another hour. I like those maps. Nice song.
This is to all of you in the Facebook group. Thank you for cruising. You got a friend in me, and Mango is what I'm going to say to you all. As you've made me say all cruise long, I'm going to make an announcement for you as well. Tonight I'll make an announcement. 5:30.